Okay. Stop saying it. Oh no, 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 no.
Oh, she's kind of big.
Who kind of big? You?
This girl.
On baby boy, I'm finna fire you up, boy. You look like a pastor in a hood, boy. On baby boy, is you from the hood or is you gonna go to church? I'm finna fire you up, boy. Are you trans?
Oh. Now, if I do a guy voice, would you laugh?
No, I wouldn't be surprised.
They know I got it on me. I'm off these motherfucking drugs. I be tripping if a motherfucker run up on me, bud. I be living, I ain't worried about no nigga catch a slug. And I'm dipping, give a fuck about that bitch be tripping off the nigga. I'm off these motherfucking drugs, off these drugs, off the off these motherfucking drugs, off these drugs, off the.
What's up? What's up? Bro, shut up, bro. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. You can't sing. You can't sing. You're horrible. Stop. Ain't nobody want to hear that. Dang. You messing up my mood. I just got on. I just got on Monkey. And I hear that garbage song. Quit. Sick of this, bro. People come on here thinking they got hidden talents. Keep it hidden. I'm on the road to 500 subscribers, but I'm about to get some people to subscribe. Subscribe. What's up?
What's up? How old are you? Why is you on this app?
See. Hey, see, look. Hey, look though. Don't skip, alright?
I'm not gonna skip you.
I bet.
How old are you?
See, look. Yesterday, I went to the WWE game when Brock Lesnar slam dunked on Messi.
Okay, wait. Let me pause you right there.
Yeah.
What does that have to do with what I just asked you?
How old are you?
How old are you? Like I said, don't question me and I'm questioning you.
See, I'm old as years is worth.
Man,
I'm about to fire you up, boy. You like Lamar Jackson on baby boy? I'm finna fire you up, boy. You look like a pastor in a hood, boy. On baby boy, is you from the hood or is you gonna go to church? I'm finna fire you up, boy.
Pastor in the hood, nigga. Oh shit!
Fire him up, bro.
She's so pretty.
It's your bestie, Miss Westy. Don't try to test me. It's gonna get messy.
Okay.
Say the rest.
You remember?
Say the rest.
No. Oh, she's kind of big.
Who kind of big? You?
This girl. Yeah, I'm kind of big. I ain't even got.
At least you honest. At least you honest.
I'm a little big. I'm getting there. I'm gonna work out this year, so I'm gonna be good.
That's what everybody say. New year, new me. New year, new me.
No. New Year, same me.
See?
Because I was. I just need to work on myself just a little bit. But same me. New Year, same me. On to new things.
Okay. That's fair enough.
You believe it?
No, not subscribe.
Someone probably you don't have to prank him. Sorry, that was a mistake. We thought it was gonna be a retard.
Y'all really from Cape Town?
It is. Why does it say it's 32 and you don't look 32 at all?
And you don't sound 32.
How do I sound? How old do I sound?
You sound 14.
How old are y'all?
I'm 17. 18. 19.
Well, I'm 18 too. I know my voice a little. Yeah. Don't do me like that. All right.
Alright, bro.
Why y'all all speak? Why y'all all speak at the same time? It's like an echo. Be like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta speak one at a time.
You being rude.
A ding 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 a ding. Are you trans?
Oh. Now if I do a guy voice, would you laugh?
No, I wouldn't be surprised.
Fuck you, bitch, and I really would be trans too if I could stick my cock in your ass.
Hey, yo! No!
Don't keep looking. Don't keep looking. Don't keep looking. Yeah, turn away. Turn away. That's right. That's right. Yeah, that's right. Turn around.
Is it,
Still,
is it because I'm black?
you're black. You're black.
That's the reason.
You're black.
Anyways.
Wait, you want to see something? You want to see something?
No, okay. Okay, you're done. You're done. You're done. No. I'm not. I actually have a legit stuck game front and back.
Like, you want to see me shake my ass?
You're done. In fact, stay home. Stay safe, little nigga. Hi, I'm at the backup page.
Yurt.
What's up?
Hold on, I gotta let my dog out.
Hey, I got a story, right?
Ow.
Anyways, my father was getting a lesson from me when I was playing football while she was calling coffee toaster oven. The tiger walked into the store with his human friend John, and not Also, the truck driver gave me some food while the firefighters burnt the water. Tyson got kicked by John Cena in the playoffs. Mind you, back in 35, we was playing new Madden 12. Yeah. No cap.
The fires was burning the water.
Yeah.
What happened to the goldfish?
Among Us.
Only white people. Only white people.
Yeah. Jacksonville, United Kingdom. You from Jacksonville, United Kingdom.
Bro, go lose some weight, bro.
Bro, you're from Jacksonville, United States, bro.
Go lose some weight, bro.
Nah. Nigga, you ugly
slow down on the Debbie cakes. I'm finna fire you up, man.
Lizard,
You look like Simba on Baby Boy. You from the Lion King. I'm finna fire you up, boy.
Lizard, bro, why do you look like Carby Lane? Why's your hair like going by like 5 inches?
You have no hairline.
Oh.
Get a retwist. I'm finna fire you up on Baby Boy. Your hair look like a balloon. I'm finna fire you up. You got pubic hair on your lip. I'm finna fire you up.
The Carby Lane looking ass nigga. Show your bitch ass up, bro.
You's a bum. You're a bum.
You look like Carby Lane, bro. Why do you look like Uncle Tuvey, bro? Why does he look like Uncle Tuvey, Ian?
Why you laughing, Jet? You the fake Nelly. Y'all both don't got y'all hair done. I'm finna fire you up on Baby Boy. Yeah. Standing on business. He dropped the bowl up, picking it up. I get big, lift it up. But big the bowl about up. Before he gets started, they told him to run it again. We spin it, we never defend. Big balls, they setting the trends. I'm having that vision, I'm switching my friend. Dun. Oh, what's up?
You lost it, but you ate.
Oh, I did?
Yeah, you ate.
How your day going?
And how was yours?
It's going okay.
That's good.
Y'all go subscribe to my YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube channel?
Hello.
Hello.
What that say you from? Why you shaking your head like that?
Because.
Stop.
I'm not gonna keep going.
It's disgusting.
Let it be disgusting. Then I'll stop.
You thought you ate?
I did.
You did not.
I did though.
You did not.
I did. I must have ate because you said I thought I ate, so I ate.
Okay.
Down.
Stop saying it. Oh no. 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 Stop.
You should not be judging nobody because how you sing?
Sing, nigga.
I can hit them notes for real.
Hit them notes.
I'm a bad little, and I'm slim like a Barbie. Hips, lips.
No.
That's not. That's not it.
Right next door. No.
That's a thumbs down.
I'm not slim like a Barbie.
Barbara. Barbara.
Dang. AMG. Marvitino, y'all know what's going on.
Can you come back?